Easy ban papo, John Fanina Mama if you or record. Oh, easy ban papo. Wow, yeah, fancy AC. I'm gonna head away more corner did them wire corn delicious beef in order one. Hey, Sister Koobi, where are you? I'm looking for my koobi. Oh, sister, I put all crown more show needs any. Wow. Oh, easy man, Papa. You work hard, so eat, Papa. Eat healthy. Mom, you do data. Be nutritious. This is all day meal. Oh, easy man, Papa. It's not a condo. By you, na butchi by is one trust no share. Trust in us, I didn't ask some out. Father, we thank you for such a wonderful, nutritious meal. We invite you to come and join us. Until then, take good care of yourself and don't forget to give me the thumbs up. Cheers. So delicious. Oh, yeah, Ziban Papa. Sepi Ziban Papa. Oh, yeah, Hilda's kitchen. Oh, your friend and Koobi, Papa B. Doffy be no the figana, but chum, sister, Madawasati. I mean, show good food. What's your friend? Eggplant. Ebi num so friend aubergine and trouble poo. Yimukro was the abiankwan. Made in a clean environment. Use your chopping board. What? Good food, Hilda's kitchen, or Yezi Banpapo. I'm coming to prepare sharpasli, froy, stew. This will be very nice with your rice, yum. As always, I try to cook. Whenever I cook, you can combine it with a lot of things. It's like having a black shoe. Yeah, you can use it with many clothes. Yes, or data. I'm not wasting it. I'm just cutting the top. Now, if today is your first time, kindly subscribe to Hilda's Kitchen YouTube channel. No data. Or move. Oh, Yezi Banpapo. Don't skip through this short video. Keep watching our videos. And, under the description, we put a lot of videos. So, don't forget to watch that as well. Oh, Yezi Banpapo. So, over here, I have my eggplants, oyen trobopo, and aubergine. I have pepper, onion, and my okra. I'm going to boil it, and then my one go. You will find old school and trouble fry. Or what you do of sister, my friends and menzago. As some ways I know. This is how palm oil. Another zoomy, yeah. Oh, yes, Papa. Oh, yes, Papa. Or rocodo. It's always good when you are cooking. You call it clean as you go. Yes, or rocodo. Mom, when you do dates. Oh, easy, Banpapo. This is sienna koobi in drama. Little salted tilapia. Oh, yes, and apple. And some. I've got some nice beef. I sell some wherever you are. This is the original one. Wherever you are, call Hilda's Kitchen and not Josie. It's very nice. I'm taking you to old school. The buyer no buyer joy papa on now one. Add my beef as well. This is what we call old school cooking here. Very nice. Okay. I'm going to add my chopped tomatoes as well. Oh, yes, you will find old school. Some ways oh yeah, gonna Assistant Captain Planet. Well, from our budget, Assistant Captain Planet power. Easy higher Dawson Takrazi or Kodo. Some ways yes, special tapoli. Oh yes, all right. Some I do some. Jennifer, you know, I don't know how I feel. Yes, special tapoli. So far, so good. Why you condo? Oh yes, man, papa, fun okra stew, aubergine of a from Onyangona, old school type. Yeah, mom want to the name of that. Very nutritious. Wow, training as Naya and all easy bank. Oh, wow. Yeah, can't wait to sit down. We're sweat. The oral fertilization, sharper sleep, not easy. You go to visit the baby. Mackerel be more. My farm cuts on your pan per man as an eye. Wow, Charlie, get your yam ready in our pot. Finally, our old school farm stew. Why ready? When we have been a quick fuma, no way and a foom. When I walk them no way and them. No spices. I didn't add any salt because of the beef and the little offended a little boys koobi. Junior Captain Planet and my fat and chinengu, and it tastes really nice. Now I share some ways a hansha on yago or quarter papa. You will find a sharp parsley easy, which you be lazy eye. Now man got to take away and turn Hilda's Kitchen pet. Apart from that, in DBI is my lazy mom bonji door or rock as an